Hello there, and today you join us for a little bit of float fishing. We're going to be having a bit of a multi-species day today. We're going to be trying to catch as many different species of fish as possible. We're here at Furnace Mill, we're in the Mucking Meadow pool, and without further ado, I'm going to start fishing and see what I can catch.
I'm going to bait up with a couple of red maggots. We're fishing with maggots to start off with today. I think that's going to be the best way with the conditions the way they are and the time of year. Start off with the maggots. So I'm going to be casting out and feeding regularly. It's a lovely day, a lovely sunny day. It's forecast to be quite nice after actually. There's a bite, missed it. First bite of the day and missed it. Oh well. Keep it. Oh, that's a fish straight away. On the drop. Looks like a nice roach. It is a roach. It's a good start. Lovely fish. Lovely roach. Getting glistening in the beautiful morning sunlight. Fantastic. Slip him back. Another little roach. There you go, lovely little roach. Cute little fish. Get him back. It's exciting fishing and fun fishing. This is just action packed, and when you really get them going, you can be like catching one fish after another. It's a great way to start the youngsters off. You could do this with a whip if you wanted to, a little 2-metre whip. Great way to fish. What's this? It's a... Is it a rudd? No, yes, it's a rudd. Another species, species number 2 today. Lovely little rudd. Isn't that fantastic? Species number 2 ticked off. So we've had roach and now we've had rudd. They may look similar, but they are different, and I'll show you why now. The rudd have got much redder fins there, and you see the lip and the rudd is upturned, whereas the roach, it was downturned. Fantastic fish. Try something a little bit different now. I baited a spot up just to my left, a bit shallower, and I put about 3 or 4 lots of maggots in there. Left it stand for 5 minutes, so I'm just going to try just to my left, fishing slightly off bottom. See what we can get from there. Might be some perch or some crucian carp. There we go, a perch. Another species. Thought I might get a perch down there, and there he is. Lovely little perch. Brilliant. One of my favourite species, the perch, and there's a lovely little example of one. Fantastic. Not very deep where we're fishing, but a lot of the fish will move into the shallower water in this sunnier weather. It's a bit warmer, waters are nicer. Size fish. Well, I think we've made the right choice in not fishing all out there. Spraying maggots, and it's another nicest perch, a bit bigger than the last one. So let's turn up for the books. Oh, that's more than welcome. Bit bigger than the last one. Have a lovely perch. He's nice, isn't he? Brilliant. Great. Looks like we may have had a shoal of perch moving. No, hopefully there's some nice size ones down there. Because as I said before, perch are one of my favourite species of coarse fish. Love fishing for them, love targeting them. I fish for them all day long, perch. We can't let this go into a perch video, we've got to try and catch all species of fish. Oh, I see something bigger. I'll let the clutch go off on this. I don't know what this is, it might be a carp. It is, it's a little carp. How about that? Oh. Well, I hope it doesn't come off. I'd like to catch my first carp of the year. I was hoping it was a big little perch on a hook to. Actually, it's a nice little carp. And is he going to go into the net? Yes, species number 4. A lovely carp. That's brilliant. It's really good, that is. I'm happy with that. Nice carp. More than happy with it actually. It's not actually a carp, it's an F1. But it'll do.
Well folks, what a chunky perch we have here. It's not the biggest perch in the world, but I'm more than happy with it. Look at that. Isn't that brilliant? Wonderful perch. I love perch, but when they're like that, that is excellent. I'm really pleased with that fish. Look at the girth on his belly. I'll show you in a minute, but that's excellent. I'm really pleased with that. Look at the tummy on him. Absolutely a chunky fish. Really lovely perch. I'm really pleased with that. That's made my day. Excellent. Let's get him back. What a perch. With a nice perch, not as big as the last one nowhere near, but lovely perch nonetheless. But hopefully the perch will move back in and we can get another one of those big ones. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Oh, another nice perch here. Another nice perch. Oh, I can't believe some lovely perch in here. I hope it doesn't come off. I think this might be bigger than the last one, or about the same size. honest, it's a bigger one than the last one. Blimey. This is a brilliant fishery. And that is a lovely, lovely perch. Let's get him on the undercut mast and have a look at him. Well folks, we had a nice perch earlier and this one's just as nice. It's a lovely fish. I'm gonna show you now. Some beautiful perch in this pool. And look at that one. Oh, it's a lively fella. Look at that. Isn't that a lovely perch? I don't catch many big perch like this now, and I wish I could, you know. I wish I could catch them every day because they're absolutely stunning fish. But this is a lovely fish. Look at the mouth on it. That's amazing. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back, and today's just getting better and better. I just can't believe how these two perch, of course, it's made my day. For the first session of the year, it's been brilliant. Let's get him back. That is an absolutely exquisite perch. Beautiful. Well folks, that's it for this multi-species challenge. I managed to get 4 species in the bag in the end. I had roach, rudd, F1 and perch. Quite a few little perch, but I had those 2 big clonking perch as well, which has really made my day. Fantastic fishing here at Furnace Mill. Get yourself down here. Also, if you've enjoyed the video, please leave me some comments in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you out on the bank somewhere. Tight lines and wet nets.